Hello guys, today I will show you that expandable container house with a balcony. Now you can see that is a waterproof balcony sloping roof. You can see here is 2 bedrooms with 1 kitchen. You can cook here and 1 big living room. And let's see the number 1 bedroom. And every bedroom including the aluminum broken bridge windows, and you can see that bigger space. Now it is bathroom, and you can see that wash basin and toilet and quick water heater and the shower. You can see the marble shower base. Everything is finished in our factory, including the electricity. And if you like this nice house, please contact me.